This is Ian from In 30 Minutes. And if you get a message from Gmail saying that you're about to run out of storage, you need to take care of it, because if you run out of storage, you won't be able to send or receive email to your Gmail account. So in this message, if you scroll down, you'll see a message that says clean up space. So click on that. And it says 95% storage full, so I only have a little bit left. Helpfully, right down here, it gives you an option to clean up suggested items. And this is the best way to kind of lower the number from 14.37, let's say, to below 10. In my case, emails with large attachments, it has 5 gigabytes of mail. And I've looked at these messages, and oftentimes they're old emails that someone sent me with lots of photos. If you click review, you'll see the messages that have the large attachments, and then it'll give you an option to delete them. You can also filter them by super large attachments, like more than 20 megabytes in size, and that's a good way to do it. The other thing that I could do is I could click on the review large drive files and start deleting some of the giant files that are in there, which are probably videos and things like that. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.